Welcome to Tinton Woods, a townhome community consisting of 234 homes. Tinton Woods is ideally located in Eatontown, New Jersey, and close to major highways, shopping, beaches, and several county parks and golf courses. This two-bedroom luxury townhome at 52 Birch Lane is currently listed for sale in Tinton Woods and offers the finest upgrades throughout. The living room offers a wood-burning fireplace, and the newly remodeled kitchen boasts custom cabinetry, tile backsplash, granite counters, and crown molding. The second level offers generously sized bedrooms with ceiling fans, solid wood doors, loads of closet space, an updated large bath, and your washer and dryer for convenience. You will appreciate the solid hardwood teak flooring, plantation shutters, and recessed lighting throughout. Sliders off the living room provide you access to your storage unit and deck where you can relax and unwind in this private location. Enjoy all the amenities the development offers: clubhouse, pool, tennis, playground, and low association fees. Contact me to view this beautiful home at 732-757-2522. This is a rare opportunity for this turnkey home. Just move in and enjoy.